Every mile you drive puts serious demand on your wheel hubs, especially on heavy-duty trucks designed to haul, tow, and work hard every day. This MOOG front wheel hub assembly is engineered to deliver the reliability, durability, and smooth performance your truck needs to stay safe and solid on the road. From the very first turn of the wheel, you can feel the difference precise engineering makes. Designed with a precise roll form process, this hub assembly provides consistent factory-installed preload that helps minimize excessive noise and premature wear. The advanced application-specific raceway design reduces stress, heat buildup, and unnecessary rotation on internal components, helping extend service life even under demanding driving conditions. Whether you are towing heavy loads or driving daily, this hub is built to perform. Protection from the elements is critical, and MOOG addresses this with a quad-lip seal design that keeps water, dirt, and road debris out. By preventing contamination, internal components stay cleaner and last longer. Corrosion-resistant coated wheel studs add another layer of durability, making installation easier and ensuring proper torque without fighting rusted hardware. This hub assembly is engineered for fast, hassle-free installation, saving time and effort in the garage. It is specifically designed for 4WD applications on 2009 to 2010 Dodge Ram 2500, 2011 Ram 2500, 2009 to 2010 Dodge Ram 3500, and 2011 Ram 3500 trucks, fitting both 2-door and 4-door cab and chassis configurations. For rear-wheel drive vehicles, a different part number is required, so fitment verification is essential. Backed by superior materials and rigorous testing, MOOG hub assemblies are trusted by drivers who demand more from their trucks. Many owners report performance that meets or exceeds expectations, praising the quality and value compared to factory parts. If you are ready to restore confident handling and long-lasting reliability, check the link in the video description to see if this MOOG hub assembly fits your truck. Subscribe to the channel to discover more proven parts that help keep your vehicle performing at its best.